Good morning, class 10. Now, today I will just solve here one program. Okay, what is your program? Try to understand the meaning of the question carefully. Write a program in Java to input a sentence. Okay, create a new sentence by replacing each consonant with the previous letter. Okay, if the previous letter is vowel, then replace with the next letter. Okay, so what is the meaning of this one? Suppose in your string letter is B, then replace it with the C. Okay, the previous letter is A. Suppose B के पहले क्या है? A है. A is vowel. Then you will replace B with C. This is the condition. Okay, so now and other characters must remain same. Means what? If consonant is given there, then you will change it here. So how? You can see. So my dear, यहाँ पे मैंने लिया हुआ है question. You take the string in a capital letter. Suppose the capital of India is New Delhi. So what will you do in this one? You take the one character T. T is what? This is a consonant. So you will change this consonant with the next character, previous character. So what is the previous character of the T? S. So you can see S should be here. New string में S होगा. H. Next character is H. So H is what? Consonant. So what is the previous letter of the H? G. So you can see here. Now E. E is not consonant, so it will be not changed here. So same here. C. C means what? It is a consonant. Consonant means what? You will go for the previous. Previous is what? B. So you will write here B. A is vowel, no change. I is vowel, no change. P is consonant. You will go for the previous one. So what is the previous character of the P? Q. I, no change. A, no change. A, I, no change. T change. Yes. T is what? T is a consonant. So before T means what? के पहले क्या होता है? S. A, no change. L, change with the K. O, no change. F, look here, pay attention. If your digit is what, your letter is what? F, then you will go for the change. So what is the change? F before S, previous value of the F is what? E. अगर previous value vowel आती है, then you will not change with the vowel. You will go with the next value. Next value means what? F की next value क्या है? G. So you will write here OZ. Clear? Then same thing, I, no change, and replace with the previous one. Previous one को फिर check करेंगे. Previous is a vowel or not? If vowel, then you will change with the next character. So same thing, ये दिया हुआ है. So now I am going to solve here. So first you take the string, you know this one. Find the length. Okay, no problem. Then I have taken the two characters variables, and then come on the next page. Here you can see, where is this one? Yeah. So look here, your loop will execute from 0 to L. Okay. So take out the first character. First character, you know na? First character is T. So T gaya CH में. Then what will you do? You will check first CH is equals to A, E, I, O, U. किसी एक vowel के equal है या नहीं? If equal, then what will you do? Same character, no change. So one gullak I have taken. So in that one, that character will go. If that one is if character is vowel, then it will simply store in a gullak. Next change. If CH means your character, which one you have taken? The first character, what you have taken? T. T is not equals to A, and not equals to E, not equals to, this is a not equals to. This one is what? Not equals to. Okay, and this sign means what? And means what? कि किसी से मैच नहीं करना चाहिए. If CH not equals to A and CH not equals to E, if character is not matching with the anyone, here you can see or. This one, this sign is what? Or. Or means what? Anyone. Or means what? Anyone. So यहाँ पर हम anyone check करते हैं और here you will check किसी से नहीं मैच होना चाहिए. So if your character is not matching with A, E, I, O, U, then what will you do? Then you will change. So how will you change here? You can see दिस इज अ एक्सप्लिसिट कन्वर्जन. एक्सप्लिसिट मीन्स व्हाट, कि आपका कैरेक्टर में चेंज हो जाएगा. सो लुक हियर, but first inside will execute. Inner means what? Int ch. Int ch means what? Your character's ASCII value. When you will write in this form, so your character will change in ASCII value. Suppose you have taken t in ch, so t की ASCII value, okay, और ASCII value -1, so means previous character की ASCII value, or that will change in character and go in a, it will go in a ch1. So now ch1 में क्या हो गया? previous character आ गया, previous character. Now that previous character you will check again कि previous character which you have taken, that should not be vowel है, then वो next character से change होगा. तो if you will check here कि previous character, you have taken previous character in ch1. So now if ch1 equals to a, e, I, o, u, anyone, then what will you do? Now you will change that character, you will not use, you will change with the next one. So how will you change the next one? ch को लिया, ch means what? t change होगा ASCII में, ASCII value +1. so ASCII value +1 means what? next character. then s आ गया, s की ASCII value आई. now you change the ASCII value in character form, it will go in ch1. so now here what will you do? s1 equals to s1 plus ch1, okay. so here what I am doing, if ch equals to space, अगर ch space है तो s1 equals to s1 plus space. so again loop will go there, यहाँ से loop execute होता रहेगा, clear है. so now next character, अब दूसरा character आएगा. if that character is a, e, I, o, u, then no change. otherwise it will check here कि that is a, e, I, o, u तो नहीं है, then it will come here. so you try to solve this question, it's not very tough, just I have given you the sample. if any problem, then हमको मैसेज करेंगे आप लोग, again I will explain, just sample I have given, okay. so इसको कोशिश करेंगे, पूरा एक्सप्लेन ठीक से अभी नहीं किया, मैं शॉर्ट फॉर्म एक्सप्लेन किया, इससे हिंट ओनली. कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा then I will tell you in the next class, okay. thank you, God bless you.